chairs that, well, can I just control it, can I just do it the way I want? Yes, you can just do it. Initial days it was like, hey there, do you want to learn English? Do you want to listen to English, especially like us Bangladeshi people? So this video is going to be for you. So today we are going to review an outlet which is about massage chairs. You know, massage chairs, full body massage chairs. We sit on a chair and the chair itself massages you and you get the relaxation full. So this is basically Ishiko, the brand we'll be exploring. Stay tuned. I'm going to show the outlet first and also try the massage chairs and say about the chairs, how does the chair work and what kind of benefits it offers to you, and if it's really beneficial and someone should buy it or not. So I'm really excited to pull the video off. By the way, stay tuned. So this is the place. Ishiko is the brand name and the company is Young Bangladesh, and you see the music going on. Dancing Queen, it's a ABBA song. I like them very much. So here we come inside. You see this, how beautiful it could be. This is the trademark place. So these are the massage chairs. I think I can give you a tour here and help you understand what are this thing. I mean, I can maybe sit here. So this is foot massage. These are the chair massage. So this is the first one we're going to try. Its name is R7, which is a model name basically, and it's the hardest one. Like regarding the pressure. So it pressurizes so hard that it's the hardest one. And personally, if you ask me, this is my all-time favorite chair, so I'm going to try. So it just like that, you tap on the button, put the any mode, automatic mode. So in first 1 minute, it can just scan your body, where are the parts and all, and like that. And if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, I suggest you to subscribe, because if you're looking for English videos and you want to learn it, this is the channel, man. Bye. Yeah. So I just did it for 1 minute and it was quite good. I mean, you see there the pressure from the both side, from the waist, and there is also pressure from hands, airbags, and I mean it's pretty good. I mean, you cannot describe the feelings, but you can just say that you feel good. So here is another one, the rocking chair. So rocking chair is another good chair for us. It also massage chair and also rocking chair. So you sit like that and the oscillation. We are doing pretty good. So are we done with the rocking chair? Let's try the Thai massage. So this is Thai massage and also foot massage. What it does, so there is a roller from the feet side, like it will roll, and initially you will feel that someone is trickling you, and there is also pressure from thigh side, airbags pressure, so it will squeeze and you feel good. And if you switch on the hit button, there will be a hit, so it feels good and it works for removing the pain faster. And I'm feeling really good. And it's also beneficial for the diabetic people, because there is blood circulation, so which helps, because the diabetic patients are suggested that they should walk as much as possible, so it just kind of helps them to circulate the blood and all. And it goes without saying that it gives you the instant relaxation and pain relief feelings. So I think when we work for all day and we just try it for like when we close the outlet. One of us maybe tries it for 10 minutes and all like that. So the roller is there and the airbags also, so it's pushing down, up and down. So we don't take so much time here because we have to explore so many things. So another thing, this is actually what is that, knee massager. So someone who has pain in knee, so they can just put it knee. So I mean, if your parents at home, they have knee problem, that they face that, so maybe you should buy it for them. And this is back massager. It's same with the chairs. So I'm going to try the 9-8 model. So 9-8 model is also good chair. This is the latest one and it has the most varieties of functions because it offers 3-way communication. Like you can either control it over buttons or with the help of display, or you can just command it through voice, because here we have no other chairs which can command which can have those command through voice, but only this one has. So for that reason, and also it is also customized chair, and also the amount of pressure it provides from the leg side, from the calf side, is like second to none. So for these small, I don't say small, these important reasons, this chair is now on its peak. You know, you see how it's vibrating me, shaking me through air, and you can just control it manually. I mean, now I have set a automatic mode where it will just works on its own. But suppose you need somewhere around the back, spinal or shoulder, you can just fix it. I mean, anywhere you want, and whatever the intensity you want and whatever the style of massaging you want, you can just fix it. So this is the thing that people find in updated chairs, that, well, can I just control it? Can I just do it the way I want? Yes, you can just do it. Initial days it was like the chair, you will switch it on and it will just massages you on its own. But now, not like that. So we're done with 9-8 model. People who want to buy, 9-8 is the model to buy. And now I'm going to try R9. This is R9, R7 and R9. What are the differences? The main difference is R9 is typically soft massage, where the R7 is God level hard. And if you ask me which chair is the most like we sold, so I'll say that R9 is the one that we sold most, and maybe yes. And I think from our online, the person who is responsible for online selling, he just loves this chair. I mean, if it's available, he will just sell it thousands of chairs. I mean, yeah, he loves it. I mean, I like the way it rolls from the feet side. I mean, it's just outstanding. And the type of massage is soft. I mean, especially parents, if you are considering a chair for your parents, this is the chair, man. And the foundation of the massage of the rollers, they are also very strong. I mean, it will last long. Yeah, I like it. I mean, I just want to take the massage like all day. I just want to take it. I think I cannot give so much time here. I have to go. So here you see that I have tried these chairs, and what do I have to say? I think people initially, when you started the business, our company has started the business, so people used to think that these are the massage chairs and they are luxurious products, so they shouldn't buy it. They would take it for granted, but now it has become a part, like important part of our life. It really helps you. You should buy. Everyone should buy, because think about it. If you work so long for one day, like one day, and you come to home, how do you take relaxation? You just sleep and wake up in the morning. But if you do massages, it helps. Like it removes the pain, muscle tension, and also gives you relaxation. I mean, it has so many things to offer. It increases the blood circulation, and sense of relaxation, helps in sleeping. So everyone should buy it, those who can afford, because it's not just about comfortness. Of course you are getting comfortness, but it also offers so many health benefits, and what are the things. It also, you know what, there are so many devices you have in your house that you own, but a massage chair you don't. And a massage chairs can give you the health benefits. It's an investment on your health. It's not just a investment to random things. It's a good product to buy. By the way,